Always unplug the vacuum before dismantling any part of the machine. To change the microhygiene filter, lift the release and pull the cover. Slide the filter out of the bottom. To replace it, lift the safety lever and slide the new filter in, using the tracks as guides. Push the cover back on and lock the release firmly. To remove the exhaust filter, pinch the catch and remove the filter cover, then remove the exhaust filter. Insert the new filter and clip it in place. Then, place the filter cover back on.